Okay guys, so it's almost Christmas and boxes are coming, so if you're going to do your shopping, better to do it now. And so I have 3 boxes here by my side, and I'd like to start with this one. It was delivered on a plastic packaging, but I don't have time to record how I unbox it, and then it's basically you just peel off the plastic seal, and then you'll get to this package. So this is a Victorinox Spirit. The model is 30227. Hope you can see it. And it's a gift from my fiance, so thanks to her I got one of the best tools that I've been looking at for a long time. I also have a previously acquired the Victorinox Swiss tool for the Australian Army, and I'd like to compare it with this one. It's basically the same. So here it is. It slides and you get to this wonderful leather sheath. If you look at the internet photos, it looks flimsy, but actually this is a thick leather. This is a thick leather, just like what you have on your leather belts. It may be a full grain leather, and the one thing I'd like about this sheath is that you can actually clip it right away on your belt without removing it, as you can see, and it rotates at 45-degree angle, so you can carry it vertical or horizontal carry, or even tip down, so your preference. And let's go inside. It has a Velcro lock, if you can see, closure, and this is actually slimmer than this, almost the size of a Leatherman Wave Plus, but this actually will not fit a Leatherman Wave. It's just narrow on the side. And so this is it, the Victorinox Swiss Spirit. If I'm not mistaken, this is released on 2015, and then it is preceded by the Swiss tool, which is a bigger model of the Victorinox pliers multi-tool. And so this is the main component of this one. Let us compare it. It's the first time for me to compare it. It's actually the same model, except for this one, it has a one-hand opening for the knife and for the rescue blade. So this is an earlier model, this is a later model, and this is the so I think there's some slight difference. Maybe this one will be larger on this side, and this one could be slimmer, but it could be just my eyes. These are basically the same, and what's inside is not really the same items, but you can look it up on the internet. I think they removed the okay, so I'll just do a quick review. This is just a comparison of it, and yeah, this has a ship's foot, or what they say is a serrated or butter knife, but it's really not a butter knife because it has a very sharp, if you can hear it, it's a very sharp edge. And one thing I like about this one is that the plain edge is on near the tongue and of the blade, and the serration is farther away. So what happens is that if you are slicing something or using it for utility, your stronger or support or leverage will be near to your arm and not farther back. And if you are slicing something, you are going to slice it better because of the serrations, which is farther away from the tongue of the blade. And so the famous, I'm not really familiar yet with this tool, so I was trying to find it where those things are located. And so this is, according to them, a box opener, box cutter. And so it has been opened for inspection in the customs. This, I think, will be the leather sheet for, yeah, this is so nice. I'm into leather, really, anything leather, especially the genuine one. This, I think, is for the Lionsteel M2. This is for the Winkler knives, forgetting the model, the Winkler knives Blue Ridge model, Blue Ridge Hunter. Yeah, so it's here. I am actually using this for kitchen utilities, my cooking, and I always use this lock flop, and over time these things go loose, and I don't want it when it's time to use it on the wilderness or the forest hunting, and that's the time that it becomes loose. So I need something to use daily or regularly in the kitchen, so I can save this holster or this sheath. And so let's try to, and this is so nice. Yeah, it has it's a friction lock, and yeah, it won't go out but by daily use it will loosen up a bit. Genuine leather, thick leather, 35 if I can remember correctly, from Cline sheets. You can find them on eBay. Cline sheet, I'll put it up on the description. This is another one for the Winkler knives. So it's the same, so I don't want to loosen up the kydex if I'm going to use this daily. If I haven't used this, but so this should be how deep this is. It's loose on the width, but it's just, see, it will not fall, and you can still pull it here. So if you want to quick draw it, you can, or I can, put the lanyard hole in it. This is a sheath for EC 4HM, I think. A custom sheath for easy model knives. Here it is. I think I can interchange this too as well. This is, by the way, specifically for the M2, a custom sheath. This is actually fitting it as well, but it's a bit loose, and I don't want to damage the tip part. With here, I want to see inside. So yeah, there is a thick leather inside that prevents it from slicing. Here it is, slicing the thread, so it will not come undone. So overall, I'm very happy with this leather sheet, and as it grows older, it becomes darker with patina. So I'll be using it starting today at the kitchen. I'm cooking. Satisfied with this. And it comes with a letter. So it's very nice that they included some greeting cards, thank you cards, Blade Traders Knives quality collectibles. So Cline knives and Blade Traders knives. Let's go on. Open this. This, I think, is the Leatherman accessories. Yes, it is. So, from Swiss Knife Shop. Yeah, I think I got this from the Swiss Knife Shop. And it comes with this. Wow. Specifically requested this for the accessories, and this is what I was waiting for, the sheet for the squirt, Micra, the sheath for the Leatherman juice, the sheath for the CS4, no, the Style CS, replacement or accessory, replaceable pocket clip lanyard for the Leatherman Wave Plus. Yep, the Swiss knife shop. The very responsive on email as well. Cutter inserts, replaceable for the Leatherman Wave and the Leatherman Matte as well. It's in color black. So that's it. So soon I'll post a review of this guys, and this is the Boker knife sheath for whatever it will fit in. I'll be fitting it in with this guy, see, and this guy for this guy. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. I'll be doing a more thorough review of each of the items soon. As of now, I'm just opening it up, checking if it's complete, and checking if something is broken. And so soon I'll be posting videos, individual videos for these things, and those things at my back, those are for reviews as well. I've been using them for some months, others are used for some years. Camping equipments, those are helmets. Yeah, I have the 1000 helmets right there. Anyway, those are Gibson, and that's the Eric Clapton Martin guitar model. And those are books. Those are my medical books. What else? Yeah, these ones are electric skateboard items. So stay tuned and subscribe so you get notified of my future videos. Thank you, bye, and happy Christmas, everyone.